Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Towheed vlog. In today's video, I'm cooking something at home, and I decided to record. So I'm at home. I have a day off from work, and I decided to cook something at home. So today I'm cooking green peas, potatoes, brown rice, and I already boiled some of the potato for making cutlets. So I decided to record as well same time. So I already start cooking, and let me show you. I have cut it chopped onion, and I try to fry that one and make it a little bit brown, and then I already prepared some of the stuff. I'm not going to go through all the cooking stuff. Having some chopped onion and putting in a vegetable oil, making it a little bit brown, and then we'll add some of the ginger garlic paste and rest of the spices. And I have already prepared some green peas which I'm going to use in my rice, and I chopped up some of the potatoes as well, and I already washed some banaspati rice. So the onion is almost brown. I do not like too dark. I like the medium kind of onion. So I'm gonna add some of the ginger garlic paste. I do have a fresh one as well, but I prefer to use a paste, especially in the rice. So the onion is already brown, and I put some green chilies in there, and I try to fry the potatoes in there. I'm using some of the whole black pepper and some clove in there, few pieces, the rice. So I added up roughly 6-7 of them, and I'm using cardamom, black one, 2 of them. This is a cinnamon stick. It's a big one, so I'm gonna break it down in a few pieces. At this point I would like to add the green peas in there, because this one was a frozen one, so it will take a little bit time to cook and give you nice smell before I added up all the spices in there. So our peas and potatoes is a bit roasted a little bit in the oil. It's fried up, so I'm gonna add up all the spices I have put in our bowl. So I put the fire a little bit lower. So we have the rice ready here, and boiling the water there. Now the second part I'm gonna do is I already boiled the potatoes. We're gonna peel the potatoes and put in this bowl. I need a separate plate for their skin. You have to stir a little bit in there just in case. Stick with the bottom and burn up everything. I'm also going to use a little bit, this is called tamahindi in English and imli in Urdu. I'm gonna use that one as well, a little bit in there. It gives us a nice taste and a little bit sweet and sour. And I forget to add some of the zira there. I'm gonna add that as well. Still plenty time, still cooking. So our potatoes and peas is almost ready. I'm going to use 2 cups of water because I have 2 cups of rice. So I'm using the hot water, so that will cook a little bit faster with the hot water. On this point I'll put the lid on and let it boil, and then we added up our rice in there. Until now I have to prepare the potatoes. Now our water is start boiling. On this point I'm going to add our rice in there. I did not use the biryani masala in there because I already added extra spices in there. So I'm going to use my rice in there now. We added up a rice in there. I'll leave it there on a low fire to cook a little bit rice, and the water got dry a little bit, and then we're going to put the lid on and lower the fire even more, very slow fire, and we'll put that on the side and we'll start cooking the potatoes. And I'm already have the red onion chopped up and washed for our raita. I'm going to use only onion, some spices and a yogurt, and I have a green chili paste which I'm going to use half in our raita and half in potatoes. So let them cook like that and we start making the raita. Our rice is almost ready to put on a slow cooking. So I'll leave the rice on a slow cooking and I'll change their stove as well to the smaller one, so be easier to control the fire on the slower one. This one is a bit hot. Can I use a little bit more chili in there? Put that on the side and so guys, the mashed potato, I added up some spices in there and just mix up like that one. Okay, and because my kitchen is small and my tripod is fell down from the shelf and is one leg is broken, so this one is a potato cutlet and I have mixed up one egg which I'm going to cook and fry in the vegetable oil. So I already put my pan on the fire and I'm going to use a few amount of oil in there. This is a vegetable sunflower vegetable oil, and then let it heat up the oil a wee bit. Our rice is nearly ready as well, so it's nearly 7 minutes. This is heat up a little bit. Let's test it out one of them. How's the? I'm gonna dip this one in egg first, so this one not gonna broke up when we are cooking in the oil. It'll take a little bit more time to heat up. Let's put a little bit more fire up and put another one there. This side. So I have five of these. Five is enough for me, and I can use the same potato filling for potato paratha in the morning. I'm gonna use the same. Just like that. There's a wee bit water on the spoon and I like to do on a slow cooking, so cook perfectly nice and heat inside. So our rice, as you can see from the plate, is nearly ready. And our cutlet is cooking. Our raita is ready, so we are almost done our cooking. So our rice is ready to serve. So this is a chickpeas, potato rice, and the rice color is depend how much brown onion you done when you fried up the onion on a beginning, and which spices you use. I because the color is bit yellow because I use turmeric as well, because I uh, put half spoon of turmeric in there as well, so that's why the color is bit yellow. So we cooked the potato and peas rice. We made the raita with the green chili, black pepper, salt, and red onion, and we used a potato paste. We boiled up potato and then used some spices in there, mashed up and mixed up properly, and make a cutlets like that. Cooked with the egg and fried up in oil. So this is our today food. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you like me to cook something else and show you guys, I can do that as well. But this is not a cooking channel, this is a vlogging channel, and I was home and I decided to cook something for myself. So that was an easy one, so I done that. So let's enjoy our meal as well same time and feel how tasty is that. So I'm going to use one of that and then add up some of the raita in there on one side. So first of all, I'm going to have a bite with the rice. Rice is very nice, a bit spicy because I use the green chili paste and also the red chili powder. So let's have a bite with the potato cutlets. And this one also have a chili powder and the green paste, green chili paste in there. Very easy, very nice, very tasty. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next video.